Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Space. So today we are back at Ikea, and this will be my Ikea February walkthrough. And I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that they had at Ikea in February. They didn't really change much since the last time I came in here. So I was just doing a quick walkthrough just to show you guys some of the stuff that they have available. I came here for some plant, and I wanted to show you guys other stuff that was available as well. So what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to do like once in a month or twice a month walk through at Ikea. So guys, if there's any sections as Ikea that you want me to focus on doing those two videos for Ikea walkthrough, let me know and I'll be so happy to do that for you guys. And guys, if you're new here today, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for watching my video. Please push the subscribe button down below. Also push the notification bell, because over here we do a lot of store walkthrough video, cooking, cleaning, and some home decoration videos. So if you're interested in things like that, don't forget to push the notification bell and subscribe button. And thanks for all my old subscribers and new subscribers. You guys are amazing. And I'm based here in Toronto, Canada. If you guys are wondering where I mostly go shopping at, I'm based here in Toronto, Canada. So all the stores that I visit is here in Toronto. So as you can see, Ikea's had it. They have a whole lot of home decor, furniture, bed, things that you can just use to decorate your home or design your home here at Ikea. And then the prices are not bad at all. I was liking this wall frame, but I wish it was in white, because you guys know I love my whites, and they didn't have that in white. So I'm just showing you guys some of the things that they have here. I was just going through their showrooms, because I know you guys know I love their showrooms. Like I wish that they can hire me and show me, or do some things that I can just go in their showroom to film a video, because their showroom is amazing. I love their showroom. So they also had some new couch. Like this couch was here. The last time I came, I didn't see this couch. I think this couch looks really nice. It was really nice when I sat on it. It was not bad. And yes guys, I hope you guys love this video. Watch to an end. Leave a comment down below some of the sections that you guys want me to cover whenever I go to Ikea, some of the place or sections that you guys love to shop at while at Ikea, and I will be so happy to film it for you guys.
Every time that my mind slips, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of town. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you. All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I watched it down, obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers against our fresh like a morning. What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you, of you, of you, of you, of you.
So guys, if you're planning into creating more space in your home, and I would say IKEA wall shelf will help you create that extra space that you need in your home. So I use this shelf in the living room. I have this shelf in my office. I have also them in my kids room and laundry room, and I have to say this shelf had helped me to create more space or even decorate some of these areas in my house with the wall shelf. So if you're looking into creating more space, IKEA really have nice floating shelf that you can use to create extra space. So I hope you guys love this video, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. I'm planning to be filming 2 videos a month here at IKEA, just to show you guys some of the stuff that they have available. And if there's any specific items or areas that you guys want me to cover, leave a comment down below, and I'll be so happy to go and film it for you guys. I love coming to IKEA just to walk around and shop as well. As you can see, IKEA has amazing kitchen showrooms, and I'm always loving these areas when I come to IKEA because it shows you so much ideas or so much stuff that you can do when it comes to kitchen decor and renovating. If you're planning to renovate your kitchen, some of the stuff that you can come and buy here at IKEA. I put out a post a few days ago asking if you were to win $5,000, what would you use your money for? And the options were go on a trip, renovate your home, or just go on a shopping spree. And a lot of you guys said you're going to use it to renovate your home. So guys, check IKEA out when you're planning to renovate. If you're planning to like create your new kitchen, your living room and spaces like that, check IKEA out. IKEA has a whole lot of stuff that you can use, and they're very affordable as well. It's not going to like break the bank. I love IKEA kitchen, guys. Look at this space. Oh my goodness, that you can get out of your kitchen. Oh my goodness, I really do love IKEA kitchen. I love their design. I love their efficiency. Like the amount of ideas that I get from here whenever I come is amazing. So guys, this is all about the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm really grateful, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and stay blessed. I will see you guys on my next IKEA.
You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, I'm looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild, it's your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special.
be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you